Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. In this video, you'll discover effective strategies to secure funding for your bamboo farm without using your personal finances. We'll explore various options, including grants, partnerships, and innovative financing methods. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to launch or expand your bamboo farming venture with minimal financial risk. Bamboo farming has emerged as a highly profitable and sustainable agricultural venture. Its rapid growth rate and ability to thrive in diverse climates make it an attractive crop for farmers and investors alike. Bamboo is used in a wide range of industries, from construction and furniture to textiles and paper, driving strong global demand. Additionally, bamboo cultivation helps restore degraded land and sequester carbon, contributing to environmental sustainability. These factors are drawing increased interest and investment from around the world. A well-crafted business plan is essential for securing funding and showcasing the growth potential of your bamboo farm. Start by outlining your vision, mission, and the unique advantages your farm offers in the market. Include detailed financial projections, market analysis, and a clear strategy for scaling operations. Highlight how your approach addresses industry challenges and meets the demands of potential investors. A comprehensive plan not only builds confidence, but also sets a strong foundation for your farm's future success. Government grants and agricultural subsidies can provide valuable financial support to bamboo farmers. These programs are designed to encourage sustainable agriculture, promote rural development, and support innovative farming practices. To access these benefits, farmers should research available grants at both national and local levels, paying close attention to eligibility requirements and application deadlines. Preparing a detailed business plan and demonstrating the environmental and economic benefits of bamboo cultivation can strengthen an application. Seeking guidance from agricultural extension offices or industry associations can also improve the chances of a successful application. When seeking funding for a farm startup, it's important to approach agricultural banks and microfinance institutions with a clear business plan. Begin by researching which lenders specialize in agricultural loans and understand their specific requirements. Prepare detailed financial projections and explain how the loan will be used to grow your farming operations. Highlight your experience, proposed crops or livestock, and any collateral you can offer. Meeting with loan officers in person and demonstrating your commitment can increase your chances of securing a loan tailored to your needs. Partnering with investors and agribusiness sponsors opens up valuable opportunities for innovative farming projects. These collaborations provide access to essential funding, advanced technology, and expert guidance, helping farmers scale their operations more efficiently. Sponsors often bring industry connections and market insights, enabling projects to reach broader audiences and secure long-term success. By working together, both parties can drive sustainable growth and foster innovation within the agricultural sector. Crowdfunding platforms offer an innovative way to raise capital for your bamboo farm by connecting you with a broad audience of potential supporters. Through these platforms, you can share your vision, outline your goals, and attract individuals who are interested in sustainable agriculture. By engaging with a wider community, you not only secure funding, but also build a network of advocates for your project. This approach can increase visibility and foster long-term relationships that benefit your farm's growth. Contract farming offers a unique opportunity for bamboo growers by allowing companies to provide upfront funding for cultivation. In this arrangement, farmers receive financial support and resources at the beginning of the growing cycle. In return, they agree to supply a portion or all of their future bamboo harvest to the sponsoring company. This model helps reduce the financial risks for farmers while ensuring a steady supply of bamboo for the company. It can be an effective way to foster long-term partnerships and promote sustainable bamboo production. Agricultural cooperatives offer farmers the opportunity to pool their resources, share equipment, and access bulk purchasing power. By working together, members can negotiate better prices for seeds, fertilizers, and other inputs, reducing overall costs. Group funding initiatives, such as collective savings or microfinance, further help distribute financial risk among participants. This approach ensures that no single individual bears the full burden of unexpected expenses or crop failures. Ultimately, leveraging these collaborative strategies can lead to greater stability and resilience for everyone involved. When presenting your bamboo farm project to nonprofit organizations and environmental groups, it's important to highlight the environmental benefits of bamboo cultivation, such as carbon sequestration and soil restoration. Clearly outline your project's goals, expected outcomes, and the positive impact on local communities. Provide data and real-world examples to demonstrate the sustainability and scalability of your initiative. Tailor your pitch to align with the mission and values of each organization, showing how their support can help achieve shared objectives. By focusing on both ecological and social benefits, you increase your chances of securing funding and building meaningful partnerships. Building a strong online presence is essential for attracting sponsors and supporters to your bamboo farming venture. Start by creating a professional website that clearly outlines your mission, goals, and progress. Regularly share updates, photos, and success stories on social media platforms to engage your audience and showcase your work. Collaborate with influencers or related organizations to expand your reach and credibility. Consistent, authentic communication helps build trust and encourages potential sponsors to invest in your project. Across the world, many farmers have discovered innovative ways to launch bamboo farms without relying on personal savings. By tapping into grants, microloans, and community investment programs, they secured the necessary capital to get started. Some partnered with local cooperatives or leveraged government incentives designed to promote sustainable agriculture. These real-life success stories demonstrate that with resourcefulness and the right support, it's possible to build a thriving bamboo business without upfront personal investment. When seeking external funding, it's important to avoid common pitfalls that can hinder your progress. Make sure your proposal is clear, concise, and tailored to the specific requirements of each funding source. Carefully research potential funders to ensure alignment with your goals and values. Additionally, provide accurate financial projections and demonstrate a thorough understanding of your project's impact. By preparing thoughtfully and addressing these key areas, you can greatly improve your chances of securing the support you need. We've explored some of the most effective funding strategies for starting a bamboo farm, including securing grants, seeking out investors, applying for agricultural loans, and leveraging crowdfunding platforms. Each approach offers unique benefits and can be tailored to your specific needs and goals. With careful planning and the right financial support, turning your vision into a thriving bamboo farm is within reach. Now is the perfect time to put these strategies into action and take the next step toward launching your own sustainable agricultural venture. We appreciate your interest in SMART-AGRI Hub. Stay tuned for more insights and practical advice on smart farming and sustainable agriculture. By keeping informed, you can help shape a more efficient and environmentally friendly future for farming. Thank you for joining us on this journey.